So this is what I'm looking at as a shot. A lot of shit to try and combo. So I'm going to try and kiss the rail and then the ball with just a little touch of left spin. So I want to hit like right about here, maybe an inch or so before the ball. And just a touch of left. There you go. It spun right around, gave me a shot. Now here, I don't really have much, but I'm going to try and split the 6 and the 4 and use the 6 to set up the 9. There you go. And again, I'm not worried about smacking English. Here, you don't even need English, but you can give it a little touch to the right here. Just to kind of get it off the rail a little, but it didn't really come off for me. This is the hardest one here. See if we can get this sucker to drop. Now this, you're going to put a little top spin on just naturally. And that's exactly what you need. Now here you want to put just a touch of bottom spin. There you go. That's how you play English.